Welcome to our video board for Parshas Naso. How many extra words are there in the Torah? Well, you're probably thinking none. Well, if there are no extra words in the Torah, why, at the end of this week's Parsha, do we have such a long, repetitive section? At the end of the Parsha, we describe the Karbanos, the offerings of the Nesiim, the leaders of each of the tribes of the Jewish people, which they offered as part of the Chanukas HaMishkan, the inauguration of the Mishkan. And you wonder, why is it that each of these offerings is enumerated independently for such a great length? So perhaps we can understand that this secret is the secret to the reason why these Karbanos were so special to begin with. And that is exactly because they are repetitive. You see, every Karban of every Nasi, of Shevet Ruvain, and Shevet Shimon, and Shevet Dan, they were all the same. They came to the Mishkan, they looked at each other, and there was no sense of a competition. There was no sense of, I have to bring more than someone else. Rather, it's the exact opposite. They were content to each offer the exact same Karban. And that is a clear, important message that the Torah is trying to send us. Perhaps that's why these Karbanos were so special, that they even had a voluntary incense, which is highly unusual. And that these individual Karbanos were also offered on Shabbos. It's all because of the same principle, says Rav Shlomo Fisher, the Dayan in Yerushalayim. And that is, we are happy to be on the same plane with the other tribes. We're all happy to be on the same page. Shabbat Shalom.